Hi, hello, this is Naresh. Welcome to Naresh Designs. Now I'm going to teach you like document creations. Okay. The menu bar is showing here file option. Go to the file and the new document here. Okay. New shortcut is Control N. Okay. Note down that shortcut is Control N. Here, whatever we are going to create the documents, that name we can create here. Like that name you can type here. Like now I'm going to type my name. Okay, Naresh Designs. Okay, like whatever you want, you just type it here, document name, and now go to the presets in document. What kind of presets will be there here? We can see here. Like first, default Photoshop size. Click here. It will come here. Okay, page size, width, height, and the revolution. This is default. It shows centimeters. Okay, the width is like this, 16.02 centimeters are there, and the height 11.99 centimeters. The resolution it's come here 28.346. The resolution, its size, it's only 452 kb. If you want to change the resolution, just change it. Okay, it shows size now, it's 5.5 MB. It's a good resolution and good quality will be there in that. Okay, now US paper. Okay, US paper. In US paper it will come default sizes. Like sizes are three sizes will be there: letter, legal, and tablet. The letter size 8.5, width and height 11, resolution is 300. It will shows inches. Okay, and the same thing we can check here: legal 8.5, full width and height is a 14. The same resolution, the sizes will come in here 30 MB. It's a good resolution, good quality things are there. And the tablet is width 11, height is 17. Okay, same thing you can check it here, all the things. And the next option is international paper. International paper also comes like different sizes will be there, like A4, A6, A5, A3, B5, B4, B3, C6, C5, C4, DL. These sizes can be like paper sizes. We can read documents or whatever we can want to create in offices and everything. We can use these paper sizes and we can create the document, and we can go to the output after that. It will comes to the millimeters. Okay, international paper comes to the millimeter. You're observing that like normal default size it's coming centimeters, and US paper comes inches, and international paper coming millimeters. Okay, width is 210 millimeters, height 297, and resolution as usual 300. It's coming like a good quality. All the things you can check it once: A6, A5, this everything you can find out once. After that, photo. Okay, the preset is photo. The photo also is there different sizes, like landscape and portrait. Landscape is like this, portrait sizes is like this. Like landscape 2 to 3. This is come also inches, like width 3 and height 2, like 4 by 6. This everything of photo sizes, what you are going to photo prints and everything you can use. And this is portrait, same thing, like it will come like portrait like this. Okay, and now the next option we can discuss like web, mobile device, and filmmaker. As usual you can see this. And now let's go to custom. Like you're looking, you want a different size. You don't want these sizes or everything. You want a like inches, centimeters, millimeter, points, because and pixels. You want to create a different size. Okay, now you just create what you want. Okay, 1080 width and oh sorry, take the pixels, and 1080 width and 720 height. Now the resolution 300 is there. It's showing 2.22 MB. It's a normal size. You want to keep lesser than that, it will come size is different. Okay, now you want to take 600 resolution, your size will be different. Okay, this, like this count document, whatever I create the document, it shows here 1024 by 720. Okay, resolution is 600. This is the document. Okay, I hope you people are understand. Thank you for watching.